Hello students, in the previous lecture I introduced you with the term cell organelle. What a cell organelle is? I have already told you. The components from which a cell is made up of are called as cell organelles. I also named a few ones like the cell membrane or the plasma membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus, ribosomes, etc. And now we will study about them one by one. So let's take our first one, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost layer in cells. What plasma membrane is? It is the outermost layer in all the cells, all the animal cells. It is the outermost layer. It is the outermost covering, you can say. It separates the content of a cell from their external environment. Like I said, it is the outermost covering of a cell. So naturally it separates the content of a cell from the external environment. It allows the material from surrounding to enter and exit the cell. It allows the material from a cell to exit outside or from outside to enter inside of the cell. It controls the entry and exit of the materials in and out of the cell, and hence it is called selectively permeable membrane. So here's a new word, selectively permeable membrane. What is it? Plasma membrane only allows the selective materials to pass through it. Only selective materials can move inside the cell or go outside. So that's why we call it selectively permeable membrane, because only the selective materials are allowed to pass through it. Gases like carbon dioxide or oxygen can also move in and out. So the gases like carbon dioxide or oxygen can also move inside or go outside. If the concentration outside is low and inside is high, gases will move from inside of the cell to outside. And if the concentration outside is high and inside is low, gases will come inside of the cell. And this process, the movement of gases from high concentration to low concentration, is known as diffusion. So here's a new word, diffusion. The movement of gases from high concentration to low concentration. It also allows the movement of water in and out of the cell depending upon the concentration. Like it allows the movement of gases, it also allows the movement of water. If the concentration outside is high and inside is low, the water will move inside. And if the concentration inside is high, outside is low, water will move out. And this process, the movement of water from high concentration to low concentration, is known as osmosis. So we just learned about two processes: diffusion, the movement of water, the movement of gases from high concentration to low concentration, and osmosis, the movement of water from high concentration to low concentration. So that was all about plasma membrane or the cell membrane. So our next one is cell wall. Cell wall is found in plant cells outside the plasma membrane. Like to be noted, the cell wall is found only in plant cells. It is an additional covering outside the plasma membrane. So here's one point of difference between animal cells and plant cells. Animal cells don't have a cell wall, but plant cells have additional covering of cell wall outside the plasma membrane. It is a rigid covering made up of cellulose, which is a complex substance and is providing structural support to the plants. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and it is a very complex structure. It has a very complex structure. So it gives additional support, it gives additional rigidity to the plants. The contents of the cell wall contracts during the loss of water in plant cells by the process of osmosis. When the plant cell loses water, the cell membrane or the plasma membrane shrinks. So the content of the cell wall shrinks during the loss of water by the process of osmosis. Due to the presence of cell wall, plant cells can withstand greater changes in the surrounding media due to the exertion of equal pressure of the cell wall when it swells up by taking up water through the process of osmosis. When a plant cell takes water, it swells up. Its plasma membrane swells, but it has an additional covering of cell wall outside it. So the plasma membrane exerts equal amount of pressure on the cell wall, so it can withstand the changes in the environment. The cell wall enables the plasma membrane not to rupture. That was all about cell wall. In the next few videos, in the next few lectures, we will study about more organelles. Thank you.